Hi, my name is Candace Warden, and for my final project, I'm going to show how to explore 2D nets of different pyramids to make and show the different shapes within their 3D overall shapes. I'm going to do this using the square-based pyramid and the triangle-based pyramid. I decided to do this just because working with younger children, they don't always understand how a specific 3D shape can be broken down into its net to show the different shapes that are used to make it. So to start off with our square-based pyramid, you're going to start off with making a square. And you're going to do this early on in the semester by just starting off with a line, putting the points, and rotating. Okay. So we'll construct the inside of the square. And then we have our square. The easiest way to make a net for a square-based pyramid is just to make the triangles on each of the 4 sides of the square. So we'll do it. Now it usually helps if you make each of the triangles a different color. Just so when you make your 3D shape you can see it better. So what we're going to do now is you're going to pick one of the vertices on your one triangle to connect all your other triangles to. So you're just going to take and drag down to the top. Like that. Now, as you can see, our 3D shape now looks similar to the one on this page. It's a square-based pyramid, like this. Now, to see different sides of the thing, you can take a line on your base. So I'm going to click this line, and you can drag this one. You just want the line. You can drag it around and see, like if I put it up here, I can then see how the square is made up of my 4 different triangles. I can drag it to the side and see more on one side, and you can see how they kind of relate to each other more. It helps. One thing that you can see though using Sketchpad is if you take a line on a triangle, say, so this one, and try to drag it, it's not going to work because you're constructing your vertices up here, and it's just, you're going to have to redo it all, and it's not going to be able to be moved around as much. So that's that. You can also then unfold it, and you're back to the net. Next, it's going to be the triangular base pyramid. So for this one, we're going to make a nice isosceles triangle. And we learned how to do this early on in the semester. Now, I'm going to have a circle, like that. And because kids don't always know the exact way to make a net that we want them to, they can make different nets. So let's make this into a tool. Honestly, tool number 1 for right now. And we're going to make a couple different nets that we think can make this one triangle base pyramid. So we're going to start here, and I'm just going to do like I did the square base pyramid. One triangle on each of the 4 sides, or 3 sides. So there's one net. Let's make another mat. We'll do a third mat. Okay, so we have 3 different nets. And then one thing you can do with the students is you can ask them, okay, which ones are going to be able to be made into your triangle-based pyramid? And you can have them hold up different shapes. So I could take my first one, up my vertices I want, drag them all, and there's my triangle-based pyramid. I could take my third shape, and I can fold it again into a triangle-based pyramid. Similar but different. Now if I were to take my other net and try to do the same thing, I'll see that it doesn't work. I can't fold them to this shape that I could with the other ones. This can really help illustrate to the students that yes, there are different ways of making nets, but they're not all going to work. So while these 2 nets are different, they still can make the shape of your triangle-based pyramid, while this one cannot. This kind of helps show them that you can't just take triangles and place them any way you want together to get you your shape. There's specific ways that shapes are kind of folded that help make the overall shape. So that's it in my project. It was helpful, and